This tool I'm about to show you might just be the Midjourney killer we've been waiting for. For years, the biggest problem with AI image generation has been character consistency. But what if you could finally create realistic, consistent images of yourself or any character you want just by uploading one single image? Well, that's possible now. Ideogram just released a huge new update called Ideogram Character, and it's a total game changer. The best part? It's completely free to try, and the results are some of the most accurate I've ever seen. So, how does it work? It's incredibly simple. You upload one reference photo, just one, and Ideogram's model learns the facial features. From there, you can place that character into any scene, any pose, or any style you can imagine. Let's jump right in and see what it can do. First, just head over to ideogram.ai. On the left-hand side, you'll see a new tab labeled Character. Click that, and it will prompt you to upload an image. You'll need to log in, but you can just use your Google account to get started instantly. Now here, you can use Ideogram's templates, but first, let's go with a custom prompt. For our first test, let's use a recognizable face. I'm uploading a picture of Keanu Reeves from John Wick. As you can see, the tool automatically creates a mask around his head. You can click on the image to edit this mask if you need to, but for now, this looks perfect. Now for the prompt. Let's try. He is a samurai warrior in ancient Japan, holding a katana, cherry blossoms falling around him. Then we hit generate. And, wow, there we go. That is definitely our John Wick, but dressed as a samurai warrior. The likeness is incredible. It's not just a generic guy with long hair. Ideogram has accurately captured his specific facial structure. That's actually fantastic. But custom prompts are just one way to do it. Ideogram also has some incredible templates to get you started even faster. Let's try our John Wick with one of them. Wow, they have a lot of options. Let's go with the monochrome portrait. And here we are. Out of the 4 outputs, these two are probably the closest renders. It seems the realistic style does a slightly better job of capturing precise facial features than some of the more artistic templates. That's a great tip to keep in mind. Now let's go with a female celebrity face. I'll upload a photo of Sydney Sweeney here, and let's type. She is a cyberpunk bounty hunter, wearing neon armor, standing on a rainy, futuristic street. And again, the outputs are spot on. The face looks exactly the same, even in the side profile. One thing to watch for is the lighting. Sometimes the AI will carry over lighting from the original photo into the new generation. It's not a big issue, but something to be aware of. Honestly, compared to how incredible the facial recognition is, it's a tiny detail. Okay, so let's try one with my own face. I'm just going to upload this one, and for the prompt, I'll type, he is a 1940s detective in a trench coat and fedora, standing under a street lamp in the rain. Oh my god, there I am. That was incredibly fast. Wow, that's me. It got the proportions right, the facial features, everything. Even in this one where I'm looking away, it's captured my side profile. I am super impressed by this. But is it only for human faces? What about animals? Let's try it with this famous meme cat. For the prompt, I'll type, he is dressed as a pirate, standing on the deck of a ship. Ooh, that looks weird. It got the face right, but it attached it to a man's body. So what went wrong? It seems the AI needed more context. So I tried again, but this time I changed one crucial thing in the prompt. I specified the subject. A cat is dressed as a pirate, standing on the deck of a ship. And there he is. That's our cat. It perfectly captured his face and markings. So yes, you can create consistent animal images, but always remember to specify your subject to avoid getting those nightmare results. So there you have it. Ideogram's character feature is a powerful, simple, and accessible way to finally solve the character consistency problem. Let me know in the comments what you think. If you are as impressed as I am, don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more cool AI tools like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.